so first of all, I apologize for all the background noise, but one day I'll have my garage. Anyway, I am going to replace my super beat up handlebar grips, and I'm going to replace them with these from Cold Work. I will leave a link for you to check them out. I also have a discount code, so you might want to take advantage of that. I will show you how to do it now. The left side first. We're gonna remove this, and this one back here. Don't lose this one. I need a little room to remove this one. So we're gonna come down here. There we go. I can move this to the side. Okay, and we're back in business. Take this out. And this is gonna come off. Okay, so this little rascal was hiding at the bottom. So we also need to take that one out. Oh, it's easier than I thought. Here we go. Well, now that I'm here, I think it's only fair that I clean it up a little. I don't think I'm going to be able to save this. So what I'm going to do is... Oh, this was just leather wrap. So this is my actual, my original grip. But I just decided to cover it with a little bit of leather. Okay. So, yep, this is plastic and it's gonna have to go. Okay. It's time to say goodbye. Might want to close this. Okay. I got this. Woohoo! Before I continue, if you are wondering which one goes on which side, I'm gonna give you a little tip. It's just in case you don't know. You see these? They look different. This one has 2 nooks. And that means that this one goes on the right side. Why? Because it has space for, it has space for the idle cable and for the throttle cable. So this one goes on the right and this one goes on the left. Let's put it on. And then push it in. Okay, I broke my nail. Anyway, so we're gonna make sure this is facing up. I don't know what you want to call it, just so it fits in here. So we're gonna do that. There we go. Now we're gonna grab, the housing cover. Okay. Hope you can see. There we go. I'll do the top. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. Trying to give you the best angle I can. Okay, so it goes here. Be gentle. Okay, now that that's ready, we're gonna put this back on. Excuse me. Okay. So I'm gonna tie that up. Tighten. I don't know. Okay, so let's do these. There's no need for you to watch this, but I'm gonna do the top, the bottom, and then just fix my mirror again. And there you have it. Same drill. This one here, this one, and this one. Let's take them off. Oops. Always happens. Okay, so it looks like I was wrong. You only need to remove the bolt that's down here in this one to remove the housing. And now we have access to these 2 cables correct me if I'm wrong, I believe this is the idle cable, and this on this side is your throttle cable. So we're gonna take those out. Watch me ruin my cables. Holy smokes. Okay, whew, we got one out. Whatever happens, don't lose this. Now let's do the throttle cable. Oh wow. Whew. Got it. Again, take this out. What a stubborn cable. Whew. Oh my goodness. We got it. So now that the cables are finally out, all you have to do is slide this out and slide the new one in. Remember I told you about those? And let's do this all over again. Okay, that was so tricky. It took me a minute, so I had to turn off the camera. Let's finish this up. Okay, so it's just these two bolts. One at the top, one at the bottom. Okay, so I made the mistake of putting the housing back in here, but it wasn't all the way in, so make sure you do that. Let's get it together. There we go. Now we can put the housing on. Okay, and this works. This is how it looks now. I'm actually very happy with the results. I will be posting more videos about other parts that I got in the next few days. So if you're interested, if you have any comments, suggestions of how I could have done that better, just let me know.